When Ali lost his job, he had no degree, no experience. He was surrounded by hopelessness. But just 3 months later, he was earning over $50 a day, using only his mobile phone and internet connection. Today's story is a beacon of hope for thousands like Ali. And in this video, we're going to show you the top 5 websites where you too can earn $50 per day without any skills or investment. If you're a beginner, a student, or someone who wants to earn from home, this video could open a whole new path for you. Ali made his first online income through a simple survey site, Swagbucks. Every morning he would spend 30 minutes filling out surveys, watching ads, and playing mini-games. Each task gave him points, which he later converted into PayPal cash or gift cards. One day he earned $1 just by watching a short video ad. And by the end of the month, these small earnings added up to $120. Swagbucks is perfect for beginners. Simple interface, trusted payments, and daily available tasks. Tip: you get more surveys when your profile is 100% complete. Once Ali earned some money through Swagbucks, he moved on to another site, Clickworker. Here he did small micro jobs like writing product descriptions with help from AI, solving CAPTCHAs, doing map-related tasks for Google, the best part. Each task paid directly in cash. One time he completed 10 tasks and earned $17 in just 2 hours. Clickworker gives you flexible work. You choose when and how much to work. Then Ali took a creative path. He started creating ready-made templates on Canva and selling them on Fiverr. He had no graphic design experience, but Canva's templates for YouTube thumbnails and Instagram posts taught him a new skill, without needing any skill to begin with. His first client paid him $10 for a single thumbnail, and now his Fiverr gigs earn him around $100 every week. You can do this too. Canva is free and Fiverr has room for beginners. One day, Ali discovered that people were making money by publishing low-content books on Amazon. So he used Canva to create a gratitude journal, uploaded it to Amazon KDP, and went to sleep. 2 days later, he got an email. "Congratulations, you've sold your first book." That was the magic of passive income. The book was created once, but it kept selling every month. You can upload journals, planners, or coloring books on KDP. No writing needed, no design expertise required. Ali's biggest breakthrough came when he started his own faceless YouTube channel. He created top 5 fact videos, used AI voiceovers, stock footage, and uploaded them consistently. One of his videos went viral, and in a single day he earned $58 from ad revenue. You can create motivational shorts, quote compilations, AI-generated story videos. Once the channel is monetized, every video starts earning, even while you sleep. Today, Ali sets his own schedule, works when he wants, and earns without a boss. But the most important thing? He took the first step. You have the same phone, same YouTube, same Canva. The only difference is, Ali tried. Now it's your turn. Today's top 5 websites: Swagbucks, Clickworker, Canva, Plus, Fiverr, Amazon KDP, YouTube automation. Pick anyone, use it for 30 days, then watch your results. If you found this story helpful and believe it can help other beginners too, then hit that like button and comment below. I'm ready to start. And if you want me to create detailed tutorials on these methods, don't forget to subscribe.